Today we're going to be addressing the Google Pixel 4a leaks which popped up recently, and it looks kind of okay. I mean, there's nothing very special about it aside from it supposedly, hopefully, going to be cheaper than the Pixel 4, which, by the way, the Pixel 4 was one of Google's biggest flops, which is undeniable. I mean, it wasn't a terrible phone, but it was very underwhelming. And I think that the Pixel 4 could have done better if it had a cheaper price. And what Google's A phones does is make cheaper alternatives to Google's flagships. So with the Pixel 4a, you will have pretty much the same feel of the Pixel 4, but hopefully for a cheaper price if Google prices it similar to that of the Pixel 3a. So we don't have much details aside from it will have a hole punch camera, which we can see to the top left of the display, and on the back we can see that the fingerprint scanner will be there, which kind of gives me Nexus 5 vibes. And I think that having the fingerprint scanner on the back is pretty convenient and comfortable. And looking from the images, it's kind of hard to say how thin the bezels will be, but since it has a hole punch camera, it's safe to say that it will be almost bezel-less, which is going to be a way better look than the Pixel 3 and 4 bezels, especially the 4XL. And also, it's going to come with a case that looks like it has some special fabric. It looks interesting, but I'm not quite sure how protective this is going to be. It just looks like it's just there for style, but personally I prefer to have the Pixel 4 without a case. If it has interesting colors like the Pixel 4, I kind of like the orange, so if the 4a comes with the orange color, it would look awesome without a case. For specs that we know so far, it will be powered by a Snapdragon 730 processor, which is not the highest and most powerful processor, but seems reasonable. But one thing that concerns me is that it will come with the same exact storage of the Pixel 4, which is 64 gigs, and it supposedly will still be able to record 4K footage, which is okay, except 4K footage and 64 gigs aren't a good match. Google needs to fix this. If they don't fix this with the Pixel 4a, then having 4K footage on your phone is not going to be worth it, especially if you don't have unlimited storage, that which Google didn't offer the Pixel 4. So unless they offer that with the 4a, then 4K footage will be almost pointless on this phone. Aside from the possible 4K footage support, the camera will be 12 megapixels, which is not bad. You know, the size of this megapixels doesn't determine the overall camera quality, and Google has been very good with photos, so it should be expected that the photo quality will be close to that of the Pixel 4. And the display resolution is 1080p, nothing big or special there. And it will have 6 gigs of RAM as previously mentioned, with the 64 gigs of onboard storage. And from these pictures, it doesn't look like they're going to be bringing back the ultra wide camera. It would be awesome if they did, but since this is supposed to be a cheaper version of the Pixel 4, it's highly doubtful that they'll bring it back with a cheaper version of the phone. But there's hope for that with the Pixel 5. So if Google miraculously sees this, bring back ultra wide on the Pixel 5. And for battery, it will not be very big but not too small. It will be about 3080 milliamp hours, which should be enough to last a day if Google optimizes battery conservation properly. And those are basically all the leaks and details that we have so far on the Pixel 4a. And Hopefully it should cost around $300. The leaks haven't confirmed that, but looking how the 3A was priced, it should be anywhere between $300 to $400. Anything above that will be just ridiculous for a phone of these specs. So that is it for the Pixel 4a leaks. If you know any more details about it, you can leave it in the comments. Share this video, like, subscribe to my channel for more, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.